Hey guys, today, let's learn how to remove Instagram from other devices. So if you guys are wondering how to remove the Instagram application from other devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to remove this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first, if you want to go ahead and remove your Instagram account from other devices using your main device, what we need to do, so launch the Instagram application. Now, from here, I would like you to proceed with accessing your menus and then tapping on your three lines in the top. Now, settings and privacy, and then tap on your account center. Now over on your account center, I want you to tap on your information and permissions. Now, it's not necessarily gonna be located here, but try and go ahead and access our password and security. Okay, it's right here. So tap on where you're logged in, and you will see your account on here. I want you guys to choose your Instagram account that you'd like to go ahead and remove this account from other devices. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Now, what I want you guys to do is to go ahead and basically tap on the specific device that you'd like to go ahead and remove the Instagram account from. Now in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on this device right here. Tap on logout and log out again. And that's gonna basically allow you guys to proceed with removing your account from specific devices that is currently logged in with your account using your main device. It's that easy, guys, to remove your Instagram account from other devices. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.